Hi everyone, this is Rebeka from MileageWise. In today's video, I'll show you how to customize the MileageWise app to ensure your mileage tracking works efficiently. Whether you're using automatic or manual tracking, these settings will help you optimize your experience. To begin, head to the Settings menu. Here, tap on the Set Recording Parameters. This is where you can configure key settings to suit your driving habits. The first setting we'll look at is the Saved Client Recognition. This feature makes sure that the app automatically identifies frequent destinations based on proximity. Use the slider to set the recognition range. For example, if you park further away from your destinations, increase the range to ensure accurate identification. If you're using the vehicle movement monitoring recording option, you'll want to adjust the standby timer. What you need to know is that the app is triggered to log your arrival by two actions. The first one is if you exit your vehicle and the app notices that you are no longer driving. The second option is if you are idle for a few minutes. With this feature, you can customize this time period so your stops are logged even if you just stop for less than a minute and you don't exit your vehicle. This feature is especially useful for rideshare drivers or people who are often stuck in traffic. Generally, 2 minutes work well for users who make frequent stops. Next, set your auto recording time period. This allows you to specify the hours during which the app should automatically track your drives. For example, if you work 9 to 5 and have your weekends off, you can set this here. This way, you can avoid unnecessary logging and save battery life on your device. It is also important to set your default trip purpose. Select the category that applies to most of your trips. This will be the category for your new unclassified destinations. If you set this up correctly, you'll have less editing to do when you review your log. If you're using the manual recording option, take advantage of the Pre-Save and Navigate with Waze feature. First, enter your destination with the Add button. Then, by pressing the blue button, you pre-log your trip and simultaneously open the Waze app with your route planned for you. Here's a quick recap of what we covered. Adjust the Saved Client Recognition range so that the app accurately identifies your destination. If you chose automatic tracking with vehicle movement monitoring, set the standby timer to match your driving habits. Specify auto recording time period to match your schedule. Choose a default trip purpose to streamline trip categorization. If you choose the manual recording option, use the Pre-Save and Navigate with Waze feature for seamless navigation. That's all for today. With these settings tailored to your needs, the MileageWise app will provide you with more accurate and more efficient mileage tracking. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. For more insights, visit our blog and help center. See you next time!